Hi, my name's Yvonne and I'm an independent UK Stamping Up demonstrator, if I can speak, and welcome to my channel, Crafting for Everyone, Yvonne. So here we have a kit, which is the Love Treats kit. Now I wanted to make this up because I'd seen our actual CEO of Stampin Up had made this kit up for a bridal shower, and I really like the idea of the fact that you can use these as bridal showers. So I wanted to make a box up and see what they're like. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Don't know how many you get in the box. I'm sure it tells me somewhere. So you've got full instructions. 20. So you get 20 treat boxes. So yeah, you've got Valentine's there on there as well, but as I say, you could quite easily use these for a bridal shower as well. Right, let's get started. Yes, I do like those. So we've got some little hearts with a bit of shimmer on them, and some more with the pink. We've got some bigger hearts there, and then we also have a stamp set. So this beautiful little corner, and then you've got some circles, and then you've got some sayings, which is thank you for celebrating with us. So also you could use these as table favours. That was the other word I was thinking of. And then you've got a Valentine one and love is sweet. This is enjoy a treat. Hugs and kisses. So that's really nice stamp set to have. And so with this kit, it comes with a block, it comes with the ink pad, and it comes with the stamp set as well. So once you've finished with the kit, then you can play about making your own boxes and using the stamp set as well. So that's really good. So this is basic grey. Now I'm probably going to get my bigger version. However, I do know my bigger version is a bit low on ink. And I've just looked in my rack and it's not even there, so I don't know where it is at the moment. Can't remember where I last had that ink pad. It's not on my desk at the moment, so never mind. Anyway, thank you very much for stopping by. If you'd like to subscribe, I'd really appreciate that. My aim is to get to my 400 subscribers, so if you can help me with that, that would be great. Right, so all these boxes are all pre-scored, and all you need to do is fold them. So you've got little tabs and notches and everything, so I'm just folding things over just to get things started. I'm feeling that goes in there. So you've got these two side bits that sort of slot together, and these two side bits, just move that out of the way, that slot together. Like so. There we go. And then I would say that comes over and that comes across, and then that slots into, there's like a little slot there. And that'll slot into there like that, so. Oh, they're really sweet. I do like those. Right, so let's see what we have. Oh, right, I see. So the angled, I'll just take this apart because we need to do some stamping. Come on, there we go. So it's a no glue box, which is nice. And I've done no glue boxes before, so right. So here we are with the stamp set, and this is the flower one. So that will go on there where that little lip is. I might actually see if I can use a different colour rather than the grey. I know it says grey, but I'll play about with a different colour. Let's go with, oops, sorry about that. We'll go with soft succulent. And I'm just going to test my stamp. Looks all right. Just ink it up and then position that in that space, and there we go. That's really nice. And then the other part is where you can put your sentiment. See what sentiment. I think it's the thank you ones. I'm just going to make sure I'm stamping this the right way, because I need to stamp it that way. So again, I'm just going to test the stamp just to make sure it's stamping up okay. Yeah, that's fine. And then doing this upside down, just probably not the best way. And there we go. Thank you for celebrating with us. I'm just going to close my stamp set up, and then I just need to make it up. Put that across there, that into there, and then it's suggesting that's a sticker. So you've got a little sticker, just pop on there, and there you go. That's the first box. I do like that, and that's really pretty. Right, so I'll go with the next design, which is, so these hearts, then you stamp with your circle stamp. And then you can stamp around it. Take that off there. Take the backing off there so it doesn't make too much of a noise. So this is one of many kits that we have on our website, and I will put the link in the description and the show more bit. Again, I am just going to use the soft succulent ink pad. I've not got it quite straight, but you can see how you can stamp around. And then also with the hugs and kisses. Oh, I'm going to get ink on my hand as usual. There we go. So you can fit it into that little heart. So that's really nice. So if you are doing them for wedding favours, then you can coordinate your colours to how you want them. So you don't have to go with the particular colours that it's showing you, and you can do your own little hearts or something like that, or even ribbon or a bow or something, just to make it that more individual to you, which I think is really nice. See what else we've got. So yeah, we've got these little hearts as well. So it shows you on the instructions. You can see that one there with you've got the outline of the heart and then the full heart on there as well. Then again, you've got the double stamping with that corner stamp. So yeah, I'm really pleased I've got this. It's given me a lot of ideas for various boxes, special occasions, and if you don't want them as for weddings or showers or anything like that, you could just use them as sweet boxes, just nice little treat boxes, or something for Easter. That'd be quite nice, having something little Easter boxes and put some little chocolates in there as well. So that would be really good. Well, I'm really liking those. As I say, you've got all different designs you can try out. As I say, once you've used your boxes, then you've got your stamp set to play about with other stamps and making cards. So yeah, that's I'm really pleased about that. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this quick demonstration, and hope it's given you some inspiration of what you can do with this particular kit. And I will speak to you next time. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.